So this is one of our 2018 Chevrolet Colorado LTs. It's a white one. All right, I'm trying to get some of these trucks on the net because we got to get rid of them. So here's a good look of. Actually, this is just a base level. Excuse me. So the cloth, if you like cloth and not leather, this cloth is extremely comfortable. That's where your backup camera is going to be on that screen there. All right, so this is actually one of our manual ones. So you can still get a truck with a manual shift, gear shift. So there you go. It's a good look at one of our last space 2018 Colorados. Come check them out. Thank you.